Start again. This is the second part, installing the dash cam in BYD. This is installing the accessory one. Push it in properly and put it back on the top here. Make sure. And now we double check the power is coming or not coming. So this is for hot. Yes, power is coming. This is for accessory. Power is not coming. As soon as we turn it, keep it away from each other. As soon as we turn the car on, car is on, yes. So power incoming in accessory. Come on. Okay, it's not coming. It should come in accessory as well. We put in the right place. Okay. Yes, power is coming. So power is in hot and power is in accessory as well. There we go. Now what we're going to do is just test the camera. This is for the hot. Push it in. This is for accessory. Push it in. Keep them separate, please. Fuck off. Stay separate, man. Yes, stay separate. And there's the earth. Just start somewhere here. The camera should turn on. Yalla. Yeah, there you go. Camera is on. Beautiful. So all you need to do is now plug him in properly and wire this through all the way there. The back wire, we already run it all the way there. So I will upload the third part to show you the after finishing. So stay tuned and look at the third part, how the camera put it in. So this one, put it back, fold it and put it back where the next person can use it. This is very helpful. Far out. It's fucking dark in here. Put it in there. Beautiful.